Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5074105 or KB5074109, because of these error codes. So if you are receiving these errors, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update. Over here you can see pause option, hit pause. Once the update is paused, now click on resume updates and then check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Now find Windows Update. Somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click on background intelligent transfer service, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. And then make a right click on background intelligent transfer service, click on restart. Once done, find app readiness. At the top somewhere you will find app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Now make a right click and then click on restart, and then you can go to Windows Update. If you see retry option, you can try to install the update once again. Still not working. The next step is to run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only, and then click on yes to allow. Copy the first command. All the commands are provided in the video description. Paste it over here, hit the enter key. This process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. After the system restart, you can check. Next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. You can open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. Over here, write down the name of the update, that is KB5074105 or KB5074109. Write down the name of your update over here, click on search, and then over here check your Windows version, type in WINVER in Windows search box, and then click on WinVer run command. Check your version 25H2 in my case. So check your version and then open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option. Over here you can see system type. For me it's x64 based processor, so for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Click on download, and then over here click on your update, that is KB5074105 or 4109. Click on it and then let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and you can install this update manually, restart your computer and then check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, scroll down, you will see media creation tool over here. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file, click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish. Let it close automatically. Once done, make a double click on Windows ISO file, go to desktop, and then make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow. Click on next. Click on accept. Here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install these updates successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.